Hello, folks. Another little quick video here for experimental design. Just use this to answer the questions below. So what is an experiment? It's a controlled test or investigation of an idea or a hypothesis. Right now we're trying to figure out if something like hydroxychloroquine or remdesivir or these different drugs are actually effective at. We think they're effective at reducing the symptoms of COVID-19, but we're not sure. So we're going to do experiments to find out if they actually do work. It is involved where you randomly assign participants into groups to try something we call treatments, and then we measure what happens so we can compare the results between the groups. That's what you do when you get an experiment. Why do we do experiments? And the main reason we do these things is for causation, folks. It's the closest in the scientific world we can come to saying X causes Y. The other big thing about experiments is probably the most important concept of experiments is I'm circling it right here, this word control. You have a lot more control over how accurate your data is going to be with an experiment than you do with an observational study or a survey. And it does this by allowing us to isolate the relationship between an independent variable, X, which we'll call the factor, and the dependent variable, Y. And we do this by controlling, or something called blocking, I'll show you later on, for any other variables that might muck up the relationship between X and Y. So it really allows you to tease out the relationship between X and Y because you're going to control all these other things. And we'll get into that a little bit, but that's why we do experiments. So you can answer a couple questions about that now.